Hi guys, 28th of December. An update on the potato battery powered snowman that I put there on the 15th of December. So 28th, 15th. That's very nearly a fortnight. That's 13 days, isn't it? Anyway, the update is I had kept him going by giving him a bit of extra water on the potato to moisten it because it was drying out in the window ledge here. But today he's not moving at all, and the reason he's not moving is the magnesium plate has completely disintegrated. I can't even find any of it in there. Oh, hang on, is that a bit? No, it's completely gone. It's been eaten up. So what I'm going to do is replace the magnesium with a bit of zinc. Now that zinc comes from one of those batteries. So I've just stripped one of them down. That's the actual cylinder, the outside cylinder. So I'll stick that in there, reconnect it and see if that works. Well, it does appear to be working. So that's zinc plate that we replaced the magnesium with zinc. I still think I should probably replace that carbon plate as well. I'll just pull the middle out of one of those batteries, have the carbon rod. But at the moment, that'll do for me. The magnesium plate lasted for about a fortnight, roughly, before it was completely eaten away. And we've replaced it with zinc. And he seems to be happy. I don't know, he might be slowing down. We'll come back at a later date and see if he's still going. Another update. We've been out for our cup of coffee since I put the zinc plate in there this morning. And he was hardly moving when we got back. So what I've done now is I've replaced the carbon plate with the carbon rod out of the AA battery. So the zinc plate is the outer case, not the plastic case, but the outer metal case of the AA battery, which is zinc, I assume. And we've now got the carbon rod that was the middle of the battery. So in effect, we've got a potato replacing the electrolyte from one of these batteries. We've got the same zinc, we've got the same carbon, and instead of whatever they've used as the electrolyte in here, some sort of alkali, we're now using a potato. And he's happy. I've just realised somebody's going to ask me how many volts we're getting, so I've disconnected him, so we're measuring straight across the potato. About 0.77. 0.78, it's going up slowly. 0.8. Okay, but we're not getting a volt. We're getting under a volt. 0.8 of a volt at the moment. So I'll connect him back up again, leave him running, and see how long he runs for. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.